Mental health. As per WHO, that is World Health Organization, mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope up with normal stresses of life, can work productively, and is able to make contribution to his or her community. Components of mental health. First, physical health, intellectual health, environmental health, emotional health, social health, last but not the least, spiritual health. 1 in 4 adults experiences mental illness every year. 1 in 17 lives with serious mental illness. Signs of mental illness. First, excessive worry or anxiety, long-lasting sadness or irritability, that is depression, extreme changes in mood swings, social withdrawal, dramatic changes in eating or sleeping. Things you can do for your mental health. First, value yourself. Treat yourself with kindness and respect and avoid self-criticism. Make time for your hobbies and favorite project or broaden your horizons. Do a daily crossword puzzle. Plant a garden. Take dance lessons. Learn to play an instrument or become fluent in another language. Second, take care of your body. Eat nutritious meal. Taking care of yourself physically can improve your mental health. Be sure to first, avoid smoking. Second, drink plenty of water. Third, exercise, which helps decrease your depression and anxiety and improves your mood. Fourth, get enough sleep. Researchers believe that lack of sleep contributes to high rate of depression in college students. Surround yourself with good people. People with strong family or social connection are generally healthier than those who lack support network. Make a plan with your supportive family members and friends or seek out activities where you can meet new people such as club, class or support group. Fourth, learn how to deal with stress. Like it or not, stress is a part of your life. Take a nature walk, play with your pet, or try journal writing as a stress reducer. Also, remember to smile and see the humor in life. Research shows that laughter can boost your immune system, ease pain, relax your body, and reduce stress. Fifth, give yourself. Volunteer your time and energy to help someone else. You will feel good about doing something tangible to help someone in need, and it's a great way to meet new people. Sixth, set realistic goals. Decide what you want to achieve academically, professionally, and personally, and write down the steps you need to realize your goals. Aim high, but be realistic and don't overschedule. You will enjoy a tremendous sense of accomplishment and self-worth as you progress towards your goal. Seventh, quiet your mind. Trying meditating, mindfulness, or a prayer, relaxation exercises, and prayer can improve your state of mind and outlook on life. 8. Get help when you need it. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness, and it is important to remember that treatment is effective. People who get appropriate care can recover from mental illness and addiction and lead full, rewarding life.